Hi, I'm Maria. Welcome back to my channel. Holiday countdown has officially begun. You see me sort out the garden on my last video. Now it's time for my nails to get a business class upgrade. At the moment, they look like I have been doing manual labour. Not good, is it? So I'm off for a pedicure and a manicure. After all, being 76 doesn't mean you can't have fab nails, does it, ladies? Now, if you enjoy the video, please do remember to give it a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. These are all free and really help somebody like me starting out on their own YouTube adventure. So then, now we're off to the nail bar. See you later. Bye. Now we're approaching the nail bar. An hour at least of luxury and being pampered. Here we go. Hello. Will you find your way? Drifting by like a dream. Now for the colour chart. So, what one do you choose? Wow, what an array. Let's see. Let's go for summer, holiday, cruise. Yes, so, should we go for that one? Yeah. Nice and bold? Yeah, let's go for that one. So colour, let's go bold. Now for the pedicure. Should be interesting. Which one? Oh, thank you. This is when your holiday begins, isn't it? When you have this sort of luxury. Well, I think it's luxury anyway. I love this bit. This is the massage bit. Really nice. It's got steam. Really, it feels so good. Excellent. So the holiday nails are officially on. Mind you, there was a little bit of a kerfuffle over the nail colour. I wanted nice bold colour for holiday, cruising, summer. And apparently, one, I didn't really understand what they were saying because they're very, well, they don't speak very much English. And they, I was trying to do the camera and I'm still fairly new at doing the camera. So apparently I couldn't have the colour I wanted because it was a different type of gel that they didn't have anyway. So I ended up with nails different on my toes to my fingers, which I'll have to live with. Anyway, so the pedicure is done. Toes are sparkling and the hands look like they belong to someone who's never had to lift their own shopping bag in their life. Meanwhile, I still haven't packed. Honestly, the priorities were clear. Passports, somewhere. Sun cream, expired, but the nails, perfect. It does affect things though. I dropped a 20p coin earlier and just accepted the financial loss. Luckily, I had got cash from the ATM machine before I went to get the nail bar, as they only take cash, and the receptionist had to retrieve the notes herself from my jacket pocket. £50, £35 for the toes, and £15. No, I think it was £15 for the toes, £35 for the nails because they're false, which I think is really good value, £50. I was there an hour and a half, really good. Still, loads to do, like packing and sorting the house, but the holiday mode has been activated. Well, that's all for today, and if you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done already, and click on the notification bell. It really helps a newcomer like me. See you next time. Bye.